Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja, where we explore fascinating lessons in science and beyond. Today, we're diving into the world of electricity and uncovering the remarkable story of Alessandro Volta. If you're curious about the invention that sparked the electric age and how it impacts our lives today, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe for free educational content that fuels your curiosity and expands your knowledge. Alessandro Volta, an Italian physicist and chemist, is renowned for inventing the first electric battery, known as the voltaic pile. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for modern electrical technology. Volta's journey into the depths of electricity began in the late 1700s. His interest was piqued by his friend, Luigi Galvani, who discovered that frog legs twitched when touched by metals. Galvani believed this phenomenon was due to animal electricity. However, Volta disagreed. He theorized that electricity originated from the metals in contact with each other, setting the stage for his revolutionary invention. In 1800, Volta presented his invention to Napoleon Bonaparte, who was so impressed that he made Volta a count and senator in the Kingdom of Lombardy-Venetia. This demonstration not only marked a significant milestone in Volta's career but also in the broader field of science, as it provided evidence of a continuous electric current for the first time. The voltaic pile was ingeniously constructed using alternating discs of zinc and copper, separated by pieces of cardboard soaked in salt water. This simple yet effective design created a steady flow of electric current, a stark contrast to earlier methods that only delivered brief shocks. The name pile comes from the literal stacking of these metal discs. Volta's initial creation would eventually evolve into the batteries we use today, from our common AA batteries to the complex lithium-ion batteries powering our smartphones. Beyond his monumental contributions to electricity, Volta made significant advancements in gas chemistry. He is credited with the discovery of methane and further explored the properties of various gases. One of his findings indicated that a spark could ignite a mixture of gas and air, which led to the creation of the electric igniter used in gas lamps. Volta's curiosity and relentless experimentation not only advanced his own understanding but also enriched the scientific community. After the success of the voltaic pile, scientists enjoyed the ability to produce continuous electricity, allowing them to conduct extended experiments in chemistry and physics. Previously, devices like Leyden jars were limited to producing temporary electric discharges. The ability to sustain electric current significantly advanced scientific discovery. During a demonstration for Napoleon, Volta famously stacked discs to form a pile about 2 feet high, earning him accolades and a gold medal for his contributions to science. His invention propelled him into fame, solidifying his status as one of the greatest scientists of his time. Moreover, Volta's innovations influenced future generations of scientists. His work laid the groundwork for future studies in electrochemistry, inspiring researchers like William Nicholson and Anthony Carlisle, who utilized Volta's battery to decompose water into hydrogen and oxygen through electrolysis. This pivotal experiment highlighted the capability of electricity to induce chemical reactions, a concept that remains fundamental in electrochemistry today. Notably, Humphrey Davy would later use a large voltaic pile to discover new elements, including sodium and potassium, by passing electricity through molten compounds. This was one of the first applications of electricity in chemical research, leading to discoveries that formed the backbone of what we understand about elemental science. Another fascinating area of his exploration was electrical potential and current. Volta developed the electrophorus, a device that generated static electricity through induction. He meticulously studied the relationship between voltage and current in a circuit, tomorrow's basis for Ohm's law. Not surprisingly, the term voltage is derived from Volta's name, and the immense impact of his work can still be felt today. Every time you plug in a device or charge your phone, you're utilizing the concepts he introduced, which transformed daily life. One of the most remarkable impacts of Volta's invention was in the realm of communication technology. His battery made it possible to develop the electric telegraph, allowing messages to traverse vast distances in mere moments. Samuel Morse famously utilized Volta's battery to power the first practical electric telegraph in the 1830s. This innovation revolutionized communication, shrinking the globe down to mere minutes rather than weeks. The inception of this technology laid the groundwork for today's global communications network, underscoring the reality that without Volta's revolutionary battery, modern communication as we know it might not exist. Throughout his life, Volta was honored with many accolades. Directed by Napoleon's admiration, he was made a count and senator, received professorship at the University of Pavia, and was recognized by memberships in prominent scientific societies like the Royal Society of London and the French Academy of Sciences. His invention of the voltaic pile did not go unnoticed, regarded as one of the most significant scientific achievements of his era. Upon retiring to his estate in Como, Italy, in 1819, Volta continued to engage with the scientific community through correspondence until his passing in 1827. Despite his simple burial, his legacy continues to thrive today. In 1917, a statue in honor of him was erected in Como, standing testament to his monumental contributions. The essence of Volta's work has inspired countless scientists. His battery informed the studies of Hans Christian Ørsted, who explored the relationship between electricity and magnetism, paving the way for electromagnetism. Michael Faraday would later revolutionize the energy sector by inventing the electric motor and generator. In fact, the basic principles of a battery that Volta detailed remain in modern designs, emphasizing the idea that even over 200 years later, his innovation continues to illuminate our world. To summarize, the legacy of Alessandro Volta is one of the most significant in the annals of science and technology. His invention of the electric battery pioneered electrical technology as we know it. Each time we light a room, turn on a device, or charge our gadgets, we are reaping the benefits of Volta's genius and his unwavering desire to contribute to humanity. His journey underscores the idea that curiosity and determination can lead to inventions that transform the world. As he once stated, "I have always been guided by the desire to be useful to humanity." Today, we explored the incredible journey of Alessandro Volta and how his invention of the voltaic pile changed the course of scientific history. We learned about the construction of his battery, its profound effect on electrical experiments, and how it revolutionized communication technology. Volta's exploration of gas chemistry and his contributions to electrochemistry laid the groundwork for future discoveries in science. Moreover, we discovered how his work has influenced generations of scientists and continues to be relevant in our lives today. Volta's legacy teaches us that perseverance and innovation can lead to extraordinary inventions that benefit humanity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the life of Alessandro Volta. We hope you found inspiration in his story and understand the tremendous impact his work has had on our everyday lives. Don't forget to subscribe to Spelling Bee Ninja for more intriguing lessons across various subjects. Until next time, keep exploring and nurturing your curiosity.